YouTube fam, and welcome back. Today I'm giving y'all the quickest, most easiest braid pattern for crochet braids. Now this is definitely my go-to braid pattern, y'all. Like, no matter the style, whether it's the braids and twists or it's the curls, this is my go-to braid pattern unless they specify how they want their hair braided down, or if I want to try something new, I will ask them if they mind if I do a new braid pattern. But besides that, this is my go-to. Like, it's so easy. I literally braid all of the hair back. That first braid that I'm doing now, I like to take it back and then across the bottom, and that bottom braid is my anchor braid, just in case they want to pull it up, it won't look funky. And you won't be able to see those braids back there at the back. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. But I do that first braid all the way to the back and then across the bottom, and then I'll take the rest of them and I braid them to the back and I do the flip up method. Now I believe I've showed y'all the flip up method before, but if not, I'm going to show you guys again. It's really simple. Once you get to the bottom of that braid, you just let it hang until you get to the next one and you connect them. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, because as y'all know, we are family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Y'all let me know down below how y'all are doing. Like, I really want to know. Y'all know these past few years have been hella crazy on all of us, but we're making it. We're making it. We're going to continue to make it. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified whenever I upload new content. Now, as y'all know, if you are adamant about watching my videos, y'all know me and my husband has a true crime series as well on my channel, so be sure to check those out. And if you have any recommendations, any cases,